Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. This is going to be the fourth video in the series in RemNote, and we'll be discussing the functions of how you can link ideas together so that you can better organize your workflow.
So first, let's talk about references. These allow you to create a link to another rem that you've created in the past. So let's walk through a demonstration here on the screen, and we'll be using the same example for all the upcoming linking ideas. So I have this rem on the medicine called beta blockers here in my document about heart failure, because beta blockers are a very important therapy for these patients. However, I later learned that beta blockers are also useful for prevention of severe panic attacks. So since it's related to both of these topics, I want to link it here as well in panic attacks. To reference, type 2 open brackets and then the rem name. And you can see it'll insert a link into the document. Now, if I hover my cursor over the link, I'll see the content for beta blockers. And if I click on it, it'll go to the beta blocker rem. So from here, I can also see all the instances that I've written about beta blockers. This is a smart way to keep your ideas connected, especially for topics that you don't fully understand, because it can help you fill in the gaps in your knowledge. So next we'll talk about portals. And portals allow you to include or embed information from one document inside of another. You aren't making a link like we showed you with references, you physically include the rem in your document. So I can generate a portal in this document by using the hotkey Control-I, or I can use the search bar on the bottom toolbar, and it'll create this blue box around the rem, which is the portal. Now, portals are really cool because any edits that you make in the portal will be displayed in all the other documents that the portal is a part of. And this is super helpful for adding information into a document without actually having to dig for it and also linking ideas together. Next is tagging, and yep, this is just like Instagram. You can tag any rem you create by typing 2 hashtags and selecting the rem that you desire. So we tagged both heart failure and panic attacks with hashtag beta blocker. After you do so, the tagged reference will be displayed to the right side as shown here, and you can click on it to reveal all similar items. It also opens up a search box for you to continue digging through your information. If you tag using a rem you've already created, it'll instead bring you to that rem when you click on the tag. So for example, if I already created a rem for beta blocker, then every time I tag with beta blocker, it'll bring me to that beta blocker rem. And you can see how many other rem are tagged with beta blocker on the right-hand side, or bring up the search box again. The last thing in this video is adding sources to your documents. Whenever you create a new document, you'll see a spot to add a source under the title. If you're getting information from a website or textbook, you can add that link or title to the source just to keep organized. And if you add the same source to multiple documents, it'll automatically recommend you combine the documents to prevent duplicates, but you don't actually have to combine them. So as you can see, if you master all the different ways of linking your rem together, you can create a very comprehensive and structured study guide. Basically, a personal Wikipedia for the knowledge that you just learned. And on top of that, flashcards are automatically generated from the notes that you've taken. All right, if you missed anything, feel free to go back and watch it again. And don't forget, we left timestamps in the description. If you have any comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching.